What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Masterslave mode with your Rockpar TRI par can lights. To do that, I'm going to use a DMX cable. I'm going to pick which light I'm going to use as my master light, so we'll go with this light right here. I'm going to take the male end and plug it into the DMX out of my master light. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug it into the DMX in on the next light. And we're going to want to repeat this process for however many lights we want to have set up. So next I'm going to go to my slave light and set it up to a DMX address with a D mode. For today we'll use 001. So now I can go to my master light and use the buttons on the back to set it to a mode. For example, I'll set it to a color change mode, and now you'll see that both lights start to change color together. We can also use the wireless remote to set our master light to a mode or color, and have our other lights follow. For example, I can set my lights to the color pulse, use the speed arrows to control the speed of the pulse, and I can even use the power button to turn my lights off or right back on. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Rockpar TRI compact LED par can light. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up Masterslave mode with your Rockpar TRI par can lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.